So always the simple example I request people to visualize is standing at a seashore. You will see a lot of waves coming and hitting us. But once you travel, wade through the waves and go in, there is no difference between the sea and the pond, a still lake. Correct? So just recall the scene from Castaway movie where Tom Hanks is left on an island. When the camera zooms in and zooms out, slowly you are given an aerial view of the island. Close to the island, you see a lot of waves hitting the shores and making noise. And as you see the expanse of the sea, well into the sea and the still lake, there is no difference. It's completely calm. Another example which you can tell yourself is when you start to drive to Chennai from Bangalore or from a city to the city, the time you take to cross the city is actually more, you drive in the highway less. So the time taken is what we are trying to invest in meditation, yoga nidra, or any inward process. Because in time there is a silence waiting for us. Because we want to be hurriedly getting into the silence, that adds to one more stress there. So if we what we do when we are driving out of Bangalore, mentally we know till we get to the toll gate at Electronic City or some place, there is going to be traffic. It's part of life, and then we reach that place, and then it's going to be just toll gate and keep moving, right? The similar attitude we have to get into when we practice yoga nidra, meditation, or any inner process. The initial time you allow things, because that is the nature of the mind, to put you to a lot of processes, thoughts, ideas. Can we do this? Can I do this? So many ideas will well up. So many desires will come up. So when you stay put there, what happens? After some time, they go on and then they switch off. They allow you to get into the cruise mode. So you start to drive on the fifth gear or the top gear after you cross the city limits. Same cruise mode you will get into the mind when you are ready to wait for that